Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Hong Kong. It is a safety requirement. Please remain seated with the seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Please be careful when you open the compartments as items inside may fall out. Kindly take all your personal belongings and travel documents with you when leaving the aircraft. Mobile phones and portable electronic devices with cellular function may now be switched on. For passengers with connecting flights on Cathay Pacific and Dragon Air, please reserve time for security check and arrive at the boarding gate at least 30 minutes before departure to avoid disruption to your travel plan. The connecting flight information is available from your personal television or from a ground cell on arrival. Thank you for flying Cathay Pacific, and we hope to see you again soon.
各位乘客，歡迎嚟到香港。為安全起見，請留喺座位，並保持安全帶扣上，直至扣上安全帶嘅燈號熄滅為止。當打開行李櫃時，請小心注意夾住鐵塔。請離開機艙前帶齊所有嘅隨身行李，並會留喺機上。放喺現在可以使用手提電話及有網絡功能嘅個人電子用品。需要接駁國泰或港龍航班嘅乘客，為免打亂你嘅行程，請預留安全檢查時間，並於起飛前至少30分鐘到達登機閘口。旅程航班嘅相關資訊，閣下可以喺個人電視系統內或喺抵達後向地勤員查詢。我哋好高興為閣下服務，希望好快就可以再同各位喺維依街嘅城國泰航商見面。各位乘客再見。